Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A board member received consultation fees from the company and serve on the audit committee. Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A board member receives consulting fees from the company and serve on the audit committee. Which statement is correct? Can you do both of these things? It's permitted if fees are disclosed. So what you do is you say, okay, I just want to let you know one of our board members also provided consulting work for us, but we just told you. Is that acceptable? Not acceptable, not permitted. Permitted if approved by the shareholders. How about if the owners of the company says, yes, it's okay, we would let them do so. No, shareholders cannot approve that. Not permitted due to lack of independence. Yes, this is not permitted. The point I'm trying to make here is there are some no-nos. Once you provide consulting work, you are no longer independent. And if you're no longer independent, you cannot be part of the audit committee. Not permitted. Permitted if immaterial? No. Materiality is an irrelevant factor here. So not permitted due to the lack of independence. And the audit committee independence is an important factor. Now, if you are using Farhat Lectures, you can ask AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you if you want to practice this concept in a different format. If you're studying for the CPA exam, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional multiple choice, additional simulations, additional lectures, podcast lessons, AI tools that will help you pass the exam. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.